T- Have you ever craved a warm, gooey pecan pie but just couldn't be bothered with making a crust from scratch? I feel you. That's why today, I'm going to show you the ultimate dessert hack that's taking the internet by storm. Get ready for the easiest, most delicious pecan pie dump cake you will ever make. And the best part, it only takes 3 ingredients. Yes, you've heard that right. Just 3. No mixing bowls. No complicated steps. Just pure, simple, buttery, pecan pie goodness. So, what is a dump cake? It's exactly what it sounds like. You literally just dump the ingredients into a baking dish and let the oven do all the magic. It's perfect for those of us who aren't master bakers. Or for when you need a last-minute dessert for a party, a potluck, or just a Tuesday night. This recipe is so ridiculously easy, it feels like cheating. But trust me, once you taste it, you won't care. Let's get right into it. Here's what you'll need. First, grab 1 box of your favorite yellow cake mix. Any brand will do, just the standard size. Next, you need 1 jar of pecan pie filling. This is the secret weapon right here. 2. It's got all that rich, caramelly nutty flavor packed in, saving you a ton of time and effort. Lastly, you'll need 1 stick, which is half a cup, of salted butter. Make sure it's cold, right out of the fridge. That's it. Cake mix, pie filling, and butter. The holy trinity of lazy, delicious desserts. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 175 Celsius. While that's heating up, grab a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. You don't even need to grease it. The butter we're adding will take care of that. Now for the dumping part. Take your jar of pecan pie filling and spread it evenly across the bottom of the dish. Use a spatula to get every last bit of that glorious filling out. Just spread it out so it covers the entire base. Next up is the cake mix. Open a box of yellow cake mix and sprinkle it evenly over the top of the pecan pie filling. Don't mix it in. I repeat, do not mix. Just sprinkle the dry mix right on top, creating a nice, even layer. Try to break up any large clumps with your fingers so it's a uniform blanket of powder. This dry layer is crucial because it's going to combine with the butter to create the most incredible, crumbly, cakey, cookie-like topping. Now for the final ingredient, the butter. Take your cold salted butter and slice it into thin pats, about a 1/4 inch thick. You want to arrange these butter slices evenly over the entire surface of the dry cake mix. Think of it like you're creating a little butter mosaic. Cover as much of the surface as you can. The salt in the butter really helps to balance the sweetness of the pie filling and cake mix, so I highly recommend using salted Jet2's the cake bakes. This butter is going to melt down into the cake mix, creating that irresistible golden brown crust. And that's literally it for prep work. No bowls. Too clean. No whisks. No mixers. Just a baking dish and a spatula. Now, we're ready to bake. Carefully place your dish into the preheated oven. You're going to bake this for about 40 to 50 minutes. You well know it's done when the top is a beautiful golden brown and the filling around the edges is bubbly and whole house is going to smell absolutely divine, like a cozy holiday bakery. Once it's done, carefully take it out of the oven and let it cool for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This is probably the hardest part of the whole recipe because it smells so good, you'll want to dive right in. But letting it rest allows the filling to set up a bit so it's not too runny. Now for the best part, serving it up. The best way to enjoy this pecan pie dump cake is warm. Scoop a generous portion into a bowl, and you'll see that amazing texture. The bottom is like a warm, gooey pecan pie, and the top is this crunchy, buttery, cake-like crumble. It's the perfect combination of textures. But wait, we can make it even better. The ultimate way to serve this is with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream right on top. The cold, creamy ice cream melting into the warm, gooey cake. ... It's pure bliss. A drizzle of caramel sauce or a dollop of whipped cream would also be fantastic. This dessert is such a crowd for every time I make it for friends or family. The dish is scraped clean. People will think you've spent hours in the kitchen, but it'll be our little secret that it only took you 5 minutes to throw together. It's perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any holiday gathering when you're already swamped with cooking. It gives you all the flavor of a classic pecan pie without any of the stress. Let's recap how simple that was. 1. Spread pecan pie filling in a dish. 2. Sprinkle dry cake mix on top. 3. Cover with slices of butter. 4. Bake until golden and bubbly. That's it. It's practically foolproof. I really hope you give this incredible 3-ingredient pecan pie dump cake a try. It's one of those recipes you'll make again and again. You do make it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you enjoyed this super easy recipe, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more desert hacks and simple, delicious meals. Thanks so much for watching, and happy baking!